Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today's video is a get ready with me. I played with a new palette, the new Geologie Cosmetics palette. Very exciting. I played with some older products, some things that I haven't used in a while, some things that I've been using a lot lately, and I created this look. Very soft, simple, easy, autumnal vibes, and I love it. I think it came out so good. But before we hop into it, I did want to mention that this video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community for creative and curious people such as myself, or maybe such as you, to help find new things to get excited about. Whether you're trying to deepen existing passions or explore something new, Skillshare is going to have something for you. Skillshare is constantly adding new classes, and because it's specifically curated for learning, there are no ads, so you can just get lost and let the creativity flow. The class that I was super interested in lately is Writing for Self-Discovery, 6 Journaling Prompts for Gratitude and Growth by Yasmin Cheyenne. When I saw the title for this, it definitely piqued my interest just because I feel like I've been trying really hard lately to find different outlets to just express my emotions and find different ways to embrace self-care, and I really liked the idea of this one because it's very personal, very low-key. It doesn't require anything huge or strenuous, just a little bit of time to sit and write out your thoughts and maybe kind of gather how you're feeling. I really enjoyed listening to the way she spoke about everything, and she gave some really good tips on just how to kind of get more in tune with your own personal thoughts and figure out what you actually want and need out of yourself. So this was a really nice class, very helpful, and even just simply listening to it before I was able to sit down and actually delve into doing some of the writing prompts, just sitting and listening really had my mind going and had me thinking about certain things. But there are so many different types of classes, whether it has to do with self-care, other lifestyle-y things. There are videos about plants, photography, illustration. There are so many classes. The list goes on. There will be something for everybody on Skillshare. The first 1,000 of you to click the link in my description box will receive a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. I'm so excited about sharing this offer with you so you can get started on exploring your creativity. Thank you so much, Skillshare, for partnering with me on this video. Now, without further ado, let me just quickly give you my details and we'll hop into the look. My earrings and necklace are both from Shop Sun & Co. That's it. That's the details. Let's hop in now and play with some makeup. You can play with me. You can just have me on in the background while you work out or do dishes or any of the things that I do with YouTube videos. I always have things playing in the background. Let's get into it and chat about these products and hang out. Hi, hello, how's it going? I'm gonna do my makeup on camera for you today, like I do most days. I have already done my brows and primed with the Illamasqua Hydra Veil Primer. I've been using this one lately, and I will probably just use it until I'm out of it because I'm getting close to the end of it, so been using that one. Let's just hop right in. If I forget to mention something, of course, it'll be listed in the description box. I'm gonna go in with this little combo. I'm gonna use this Illamasqua Beyond Foundation. I haven't used this in a very long time, and I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of this e.l.f. CBD moisturizer. I just keep this one kicking around to mix into foundations to sheer it out even more because I prefer more of a light to sheer coverage when it comes to foundation. So I'm just gonna do a pump of that, and then I'm gonna do a little pump of that one as well. I'm just gonna do a little mixture on the back of my hand here. I'm just gonna dot that around a little bit. And I'm gonna take this Luxie 532 brush and just start buffing that into the skin. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. I actually am getting ready for a tattoo appointment. Not that I need to get ready for a tattoo appointment, but I figured I'd get ready and I needed to film anyways, so here we are. I'm sure I will vlog it, which will probably be up soon after this video. And I'm sure I'll take pictures, which will probably be up before this video even happens. I'm very excited. I'm getting my lower stomach done. It's gonna hurt, and I'm ready for it. We adopted a new kitty. If you keep up with my vlogs, you saw that in the last vlog. He's 5 months old. He's a cute little black kitty. We were in a place where like we weren't seeking out a 5th cat, but we also weren't opposed to a 5th cat now that we're pretty settled into our new home. So yeah, we went to a cat cafe in my town and we found this little cutie and he's the best. We named him Nandor from What We Do in the Shadows. And he's super sweet. We've only had him for like a couple days now. We just got him on Sunday, so 3 days now-ish. Yeah, something like that. He's still very new. He's still getting adjusted, but he's adjusting really well. The other cats are adjusting pretty well as well. None of the cats are like best friends with him just yet, but nobody's hating him. They're just kind of checking him out still. seeing what he's all about. All right, for concealer, I'm gonna use my Rare Beauty concealer again in the shade 130N. The shade for the foundation I use, by the way, is LN2. But I'm gonna go in with my Rare Beauty concealer. Just do some little dabbles of it here and there. Can you believe we're in September? Gosh, we're probably gonna be like halfway through September by the time this video goes up. This year is flying by. We're in the best time of year though. I love the burr months. September, October, November, December. I've already started seeing like jokes on TikTok and stuff about how seasonal depression is back. And for me, I'm so much the opposite. I swear I am just more happy in myself and excited when it's the darker time of year, I guess. Just ready for some chilly nights, cozy food and cozy clothes and all things cozy and yummy. Gonna have a little coffee break. It's so good. Love it. All right, for bronzer, I'm gonna keep using my Milk Makeup Baked Bronzing Stick. I'm gonna use this fluffy-ish Alter Ego No. 2 brush. Just gonna go to town along my jaw, my cheeks, my nose, all that good stuff. Is there any new makeup that's exciting you right now? I would love to hear what you're thinking. And now I'm curious at like what's gonna have been announced by the time this video goes up, because things happen so incredibly quick. Oh, I'm excited for the new Nomad palette. It has not been revealed yet. They've only like shown one hint so far. At this moment that I'm filming this, but my gosh, I'm so excited for a spooky palette from them. I feel like there's something else I was excited about, but now I'm blanking. I'm excited about the palette I'm gonna use today, this Geologie palette. It'll be my first time trying it. I'm really excited. It's so fitting for this time of year. All right, I'm going to go ahead and set my under eyes and T-zone area with the Milk Makeup Blur setting powder. Do you have anything exciting going on in the month of September? I feel like my exciting stuff is like already happening because we went to visit my friend who lives near Raleigh, North Carolina. We left on like the 31st and came back I think on the 4th, so that already happened. That was the big thing. We went to Disney last night for the Halloween event. That was fun. And today I get my tattoo and that's about it. I don't think anything else is going on this month. The autumnal equinox happens this month and that's exciting. I think a small group of my friends we're gonna hang out for Mabon. That's gonna be fun. Just eat some snacks and things like that. Just spend some time. Maybe do some crafts. It'll be good. My skin is looking subpar at best, especially around my upper lip area. Ugh, it looks disgusting. Do you see that? Do you see how awful my lip looks? Why does it look like that? Oh no, why is today being a bad makeup day? What is happening? Maybe it's that foundation. Maybe that foundation and that primer don't go well together, which is weird since they're the same brand. Oh, I don't like that. Oh my gosh, I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening. Okay. I guess when in doubt, I'll use a little more concealer. It's only my lip area. What is happening? The more I blend, the more my makeup is just breaking up everywhere. Oh my goodness, I do not have time for this. I do not have time for this. I guess I'm gonna try to just use this washcloth and wipe some of this makeup away. Sometimes we just have to have days like this. I guess I'm gonna take off what I can and try to get back to this point and I'll regroup with you. Okay, we are back to normal. I basically just took my little e.l.f. makeup cleansing balm that I keep right here on my desk for taking off swatches, and I took a clean microfiber towel and just kind of wiped away mostly the inside of my face and then just kind of eventually took out the rest as I was working it around. And then I just went in with a little bit of concealer, redid my bronzer, redid my powder, and everything's fine. So maybe I don't like this foundation. I haven't used it in a while. I don't remember having problems with it, but that's the only thing that's really changed because I've been using that concealer, powder, and primer for a while now. So weird, 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 especially because it was such a sheer layer. I really get confused if something that's super sheer doesn't work because it really should never get patchy if it's sheer. All right, I'm gonna take my very broken NYX High Glass Finishing Powder for the outer parts of my face. I'm just gonna dip in slowly with my giant Colourpop F28 brush so that I don't spill everywhere. I have a couple others that are not broken. I just want to finish this one first because even though it's broken, it still works, you know? All right, for blush, I've been dabbling back into my Saharan 2 palette from Juvia's Place, and I want to use the brown shade here. That's the one I've been reaching for again. I really like that shade, especially this time of year. I love this color. I love this palette. I always forget how good it is until I start using it again. I haven't tried anything new from Juvia's Place in a very long time. I just feel like their stuff hasn't really been calling to me as much. I don't know. I don't really have a reason. I guess I just haven't found like that perfect thing recently. Oh, I just love this color. It's so good. I'm still so confused why my makeup decided to betray me. That was very weird. All right, fake freckles. I'm gonna use my Freck XL. I'm just gonna draw just a few little things. I really don't feel like being overly freckled today. I'm gonna kind of scatter some just around the center of my face. And then I'm just gonna lightly tap all of these out. Just sort of something like that. And for highlight, I actually want to dip into the Pilbara palette from Geologie Cosmetics, and I want to use this shade called Starry Sky because that is absolutely delicious. I have to throw it on my face right now. I'm just gonna dip in with my Colourpop F33. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's magnificent. I really didn't know what to expect because I've literally never used this eyeshadow palette or their eyeshadows in general. I'm pretty sure this is their first product. Wow, that's delicious. I love it. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, yes, please. Thank you very much. Now I'm just gonna spray my face with the Apocalyptic Beauty Pumpkin Spice Setting Spray. 'Tis the season, and I will be back to do my eyes. So we're actually gonna do a very simple look with this palette. I really just wanna play with these greens, and I'll probably use this in the inner corner. I have to use those greens. They're so pretty. I have to. I'm gonna go ahead and prime with my Smashbox Lid Primer in Lights. I'm just gonna do both eyes at the same time today since this is gonna be a very simple look. I mean, hopefully, provided the shadows perform well. Or else I'm gonna have to redo it like I had to do my face makeup. My goodness. So I'm gonna start with the lighter shade, this kind of mustardy, yellowy greeny shade. And I'm gonna take that just on this dual-ended old ABH brush. My brushes are clean. I usually only use these brushes when my brushes are dirty, but I figured since I'm just doing a quick, simple look, I could multi-purpose this brush and then I don't have to dirty a bunch of brushes. Oh, that color is so pretty. I love it. I'm just kind of swirling this all around, all through the crease. Little bit of the outer corner of my lower lash line, not too heavy on the lower lash though. Mostly focused in the outer corner. I will never get sick of like a just dirty shade like this. It's so pretty. If there's like one specific type of shade range that you could play with, whether it's pastels or neons, rainbows, like a rainbow palette specifically, not just like every color ever, earthy tones, jewel tones, like something like that, what category would you be cool with playing with for the rest of your life? For me, it's a grungy earthy tone vibe. I mean, you already knew that. That's not a surprise. Oh, I just love it. I feel like it always looks good no matter what the season, what your mood is. Oh, I just love it. So I'm gonna take the olive green shade now, and I'm actually just gonna take the packing side of that little brush that I just used, and I'm gonna pack it in the outer corner and just really intensify this outer area. I'm not gonna carry it through the inner part of my eye at all. I am gonna smoke a little of it down here though, just in that outer part of that lower lash line. Then I'm gonna take a little bit more of that lighter dingy shade and I'm going to swirl that all around. I just love olivey greens. I feel like I could just sit here swooning over these colors all day. I'm impressed with these shadows so far too. I realize I haven't even made a note of it. It's just because they're performing fine. I haven't noticed anything like super noteworthy in like a negative way. All right, for the lid, I'm so excited to put this shimmer all over. I'm gonna start with my NYX Glitter Primer. I'm gonna use this Odin's Eye FR3 brush, just a big fluffier packing brush, nothing too precise because I'm not doing anything too precise. I'm just gonna pack that across the lid. And we are gonna dip into that magnificent shimmer green. Ooh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Such a pretty rusty brownish, limey greeny shift. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. It reminds me a lot of Laser Glazer from Kaleidos, the highlight, but with more pigment to it because this is an eyeshadow, not a highlight. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. I'm feeling really excited about this palette. I was excited when they asked if they could send it to me, and I'm even more excited now because this is performing beautifully. Well done, Geologie Cosmetics. This is a great first product. I mean, I haven't used all the shades yet. Still have some testing out to do, but so far I'm very, very impressed. Just gonna blend at the edges, make sure there's no harsh lines anywhere. I mean, just look how pretty my lids look. I'm very happy with that. I feel like this is a very impactful look for something so quick, you know, just because that shimmer, that duochrome is so pretty. Wow. We're just gonna use that Starry Sky shade again. I'm getting my words all twisted. Just to highlight my inner corner. Like so. Well, at this point, what's done is done. I'm gonna throw on an eye pencil, my lashes, something on my lips, and I'll be back to finish this up. All right, and here's my final look. I think it came out really pretty. It's just kind of like soft and easy autumnal vibes, and I really, really like it. It would have been a very quick and simple look had my foundation not betrayed me, but I love how it turned out in the end. I love the way my lids look. I'm very impressed with this palette so far. I'm gonna do an Instagram video with it very soon, so stay tuned for that. I'm very excited about it. The eye pencil I decided to pair with this look is Golden Olive from NYX. I just felt like it went with those vibes really nicely. My lashes, I just used a pair of half lashes. I think these are Salem Cosmetics Yubaba, just to have a little bit of something in the outer corner because I'm gonna be wearing glasses today and my giant lashes don't really work with that. And then on my lips, I first went with Animal Cookie from Menagerie, and then I just decided this color in a matte vibe just wasn't really what I was going for today, so I did top it with a gloss. Where is it? Right here. I'm using Sugar Pill's Flicker Gloss on top just to give it a little more oomph. And I really like it. I like this look a lot. I think it's cute. Let me zoom out and we'll finish up this video. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you like my look. What did you think about what I used today? What do you think of my look? What do you think about this palette? Are you as excited about it as I am? I think it's really cute. I like how small it is and the colors are really pretty, and these shimmers are so pretty. I love a good glitzy shimmer. Another thank you to Skillshare for partnering with me on this video, and just a reminder to you that the first 1,000 of you to click the link in my description box will receive a 1-month free trial to Skillshare's premium membership. If you made it to the end of this video, why don't you leave me an earthy, grungy emoji since we played with those kind of vibes today. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, you can join the battybean fam. You can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. I post very frequently. I post every day on Instagram, and you can subscribe here as well. I'm posting most days over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.